Feel it in your bones. Understanding deep intuition in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard but not fully understood. Feel it in one's bones. This expression is a colorful way to talk about intuition or beliefs that are deeply held, without needing physical evidence. It's a great example of how English uses the body to express feelings and knowledge. Let's explore what it means to feel something in your bones, and how you can use this phrase in your own conversations. To feel it in one's bones means to have a deep, intuitive conviction about something, even without specific evidence to prove it. This phrase is often used to express a strong belief in future events or the true nature of things, based on one's deep feelings or instincts rather than on logical reasoning. It's like having an inner voice or a gut feeling that tells you something is true, right, or about to happen. While the exact origin of the phrase is not clear, it's rooted in the idea that our deepest feelings and intuitions are felt throughout our entire body, down to our bones. Bones, being the structural core of the body, symbolize the depth and permanence of these feelings. This expression captures the essence of knowing something so deeply that it feels embedded in the very framework of your being. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from casual to formal. Here are some examples. When talking about future events, I feel it in my bones that this job interview is going to go well. Expressing a deep-seated belief, I've always felt it in my bones that there's life on other planets. To convey certainty about someone's character, I feel it in my bones that he's a good person, even if he made a mistake. Remember, using this phrase adds a level of depth and emotion to your statements, showing that your conviction comes from an inner, instinctual place. Understanding and using expressions like "feel it in one's bones" can enrich your English communication, adding color and depth to your conversations. It's a beautiful way to express strong, instinctive beliefs and feelings. We hope this video has helped you grasp the essence of this phrase and inspired you to listen to and trust your own deep-seated intuitions. Thank you for watching, and keep feeling those truths in your bones.